Hey Charles, it's Amber from Local Leads Co. I know that I spoke to you, I believe it was the day before yesterday, and I had mentioned I would get over this really short video to you. Really just going over a few ways in which you can grow and scale your business. I know you said you're not really looking for any help right now, which is completely fine and completely understandable, especially given the times that we're in right now. But I still wanted to send this to you because if anything, it's going to be extremely informative information and hopefully it can help you and benefit you in the future or now. These are really things that you can do on your own to grow and scale your business. So, generally, how I shoot these videos is I pull up your website, but I was looking, it doesn't appear that you actually have a website right now. So, I highly recommend whenever you can do so, building yourself a website or having someone build that for you because that's really what's going to help drive traffic to your business. And I will kind of walk you through how and what that looks like by comparing and showing you your top two competitors, what they're doing, and how you can beat them by applying these things. So I have your top competitor pulled up here. They're number one in Google whenever you type in lawn care Lakeland or landscaping services in Lakeland. They show up in the top position. So this is Creative Edge Landscaping. This is their website. I won't go too much into detail regarding the website side only because you don't have one yet, but hopefully if you do, I would recommend just making sure that you do have a lot of content on your front page. This is one thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. So definitely just make sure you have a bunch of content. They generally like to see around 1,500 words on your front page and then around 750 words on your back pages. So again, I won't go too much into that. If you ever do decide that you want to build a website, I could certainly walk you through that as well. But I want to show you what having a website does for these businesses and how and what it could do for you. So we use this tool, it's called Ahrefs, and it really helps us to see the ins and out of a website, how it's ranking, things of that nature. So this is your top competitor in the Lakeland area. I know this is extremely overwhelming, so I just want to walk you through this top part right here. So these are the first two things I want to look at with you. It's called UR and DR. So what UR stands for is the amount of power and influence your website has, and what DR stands for is how trustworthy your website is. In other words, is it spammy or is it not spammy? So these are two things that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website. And what really impacts these is what's called backlinks. Again, I won't go too much into that because I know you don't have a website yet. But if you do find yourself building yourself a website, you want to make sure you get good quality backlinks. And what a backlink is pretty much when another website links back to your website and gives you credit essentially. So, of course, the more links you have, the better. But what's most important is having good quality links versus having very spammy links. So that's another thing you want to look at if you do intend on ever building a website. This is really the one thing I wanted to go through with you. It's what's called keywords. This is really going to help you see the potential for you and your business if you were to get a website. So what a keyword is it's pretty much a highly searched word in Google. So this website is currently ranked for all of these keywords. And I'll kind of walk you through what that means. So if somebody Google's landscaping in Lakeland, Florida, they're going to see this business because they're ranked in the second position in Google. So whenever somebody Googles this, they come up second. So of course, they're probably going to click on their website. And this keyword is searched 150 times per month. So that's a really high volume for just that one keyword. And I generally see about 30% of that that volume turning into leads. So, and that's just one keyword. So imagine if your website was ranked for this keyword in the top position and getting potentially, I'm not great when it comes to math, but 30% of this volume. That's a lot of potential clients for you, and that's just one keyword. You can go on to the next one, lawn service in Lakeland, Florida. That could search 150 times per month too. Again, there's just a lot of potential for your business if you were to build yourself a website and put these keywords within your content. And then rank your website. This would be huge for your business. So just something to consider, getting yourself those keywords on your website. And then the third thing I want to look at with you is what's called a citation. And this is just pretty much when your business name, address, and phone number is blasted all over the internet, whether that be different directories or social media platforms, whatever the case may be. It's just getting your business out there. So you actually do have 31 citations. You have quite a bit, which is great. It looks like you're utilizing Angie's List and things of that nature. So your business name is definitely out there in different directories. Your top competitor has 27 and your second top competitor has 18. So you're actually beating your competition in this area. I generally recommend doubling your top competitor. So it wouldn't hurt to add some more, but again, this is an area where you're thriving in. So that's really all that I have for you. Again, that was just building yourself a website, getting content on your website, ranking for those good keywords that have a high volume, and then also getting good credible backlinks referring back to your website. These are all crucial things when it comes to ranking your business and getting more clients in the door. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And if not, that's okay as well. I hope this was really informative for you and helpful. If you do ever find yourself looking for some assistance in the future, please feel free to let me know and I would be more than happy to help you. Other than that, I really appreciate your time and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day. Thank you so much.